Some of us have never known what it feels like to be calm, or what it truly feels like to feel good in our own bodies. And now that these students actually know what it's like to feel calm, and they know what it's like to feel good, they will use these skills and tools over the years in order to get to that place. So because some of us have never learned these tools and skills, especially when we were children, we have made decisions in other ways to make ourselves feel good, and sometimes that isn't always good for us. So the great thing about knowing how you feel good and how you feel calm at a very young age is that is something that they will bring with them for the rest of their lives. They will want their body to be calm, they will want their body to feel good, and they will use these skills and tools in order to get to that place. And this will be preventative and very beneficial for them throughout their lives. So that's it. That's Hedgy's Guide to Calm, the 6 superpowers to becoming a super calm you. And teachers, you now have all of the knowledge. And again, along the way is Hedgy to guide you. And that's why I love Hedgy so much, because Hedgy is a wonderful guide who is adorable and cute and lovable and trustworthy. And Hedgy will help guide you and your students to calm. Have fun being calm.